Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Salsabila Lela Agustina. I come from class PBSC, and in this time, I want to explain from the question why I choose the answer A, B, C, or D. So the point. So the first question is, why does the basic menu discuss A, the advantage of using wood in the colonies? So B, the effect of an abundance of wood on the colonies. So C, the roots of the Industrial Revolution. D, the difference between charcoal iron and coke iron. So from me, the best answer is B. B. Why I choose B? Because in this question, we don't need to read the entire passage. Just read the first sentence of each paragraph. The first thing that must be considered for the type of question that asks the topic is whether the topic of the passage or the topic of each paragraph itself. So the question number one asks the topic of the passage, which means we have to find answer that cover all the paragraphs in the passage. So in this case, the correct answer is B, because the passage is about the plentiful supply of wood in the colonies and the advantage and disadvantage this involved. So why not A, C, or D? As I will explain, because the answer A is not correct, because only advantage will passage also discuss the disadvantage in paragraph 1. So if the answer C is wrong, because the focus is industrial revolution. So if answer D is wrong too, because it focuses on the difference between charcoal iron and coke iron. So the question number 2, which of the following is a common assumption about the forests of North America during the colonial period? So my best answer is D. The cover the entire continent. Why? Because the keyword for this question above is common assumption. So we can eat the first to get a sentence that contains that meaning and then answer it. From many people imagine when an entire continent covered by a climax forest. So we can choose the correct answer, and that is D. So number 2, according to the physics, by the end of the colonial period, the price of wood in eastern cities A rose quickly because wood was becoming so scarce. So B was much higher than it was in Britain. C was actually higher than in a previous years. So D decreased rapidly because of lower demand for wood. So my best answer is C. Sorry, my best answer is C. Why? Because the keyword above is price of wood. So scan the sentence containing the meaning and we found by an iPhone by the end of the colonial era, the price of wood had risen slightly in eastern cities. In last sentence of paragraph 2. So just determine the correct answer and the answer is C. So this is Sekle Hager is some meaning with a head recent cycle. So number 4. Question number 4 is what can be inferred about houses in Britain during the period written about in the passage? So A they were more expensive than American houses. B they were generally built with imported materials. So C they were typically smaller than homes in North America. So D they were usually built from materials other than wood. So if for me, the best answer is D. Why? Because in this question, the keyword is houses. So scan the sentence containing the word or the meaning of that word. The meaning is houses, yes. So we got houses and all manner of buildings were made of wood to a degree unknown in Britain. So the best answer is B. So the next question number 5. According to the basics, why was the use of cook smelting advantageous? A. It led to advance in technology. So B. It was less expensive than wood smelting. C. It produced a stronger type of iron than wood smelting. So D is stimulate the demand of the demand for wood. So in number 5, from me the best answer is A. Why? Because in this question, the keyword is coke smelting. This coke smelting. So scan the sentence that contains the meaning or words. Yes, or words. So we got cook smelting led to technological innovation and was linked to the emergence of the Industrial Revolution. Just decide which answer has the same meaning as the sentence. So the correct answer is A. So sorry, the last question is number 6. Where in the basics does the author begin to discuss in detail the disadvantages that an abundant supply of wood brought to the colonies? A. Lines 1 to 3. So B. Lines 5 to 7. C. lines 13 and 14. So D lines 21 and 22. So if my answer is D. Why? Because where we ask to find out which road tells us about the problem of loss brought on by the abundant supply of wood, then we just have to look for which part and which row do we think is causing the problem. So the best answer is D. Maybe enough here from me. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.